Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about SAP most important transaction code regarding internal order in finance. Internal order play a very important role in the direct procurement of the assets. So let's start. First SAP T code is KO01 to create the internal order, KO02 to change the internal order. These are the master data and configurational T codes. KO03 is the display internal order. KOK3 collective display internal order. OKKP maintain internal order types. KOT2 underscore OPA create order type. Right? KOAB maintain budget profile. KOH1 create internal order group. KOS2 change internal order group. Now planning and budgeting important T codes. KPF6 cost element planning. KO22 change budget. KO23 display budget. KO24 budget and availability control. KO26 budget supplement. KO27 budget return. KO30 budget carry forward from current financial year to next financial year. Now some reporting transaction code S underscore ALR underscore 87912966 and KOC4. These are the cost analysis and orders actual plan variance T codes. Now posting and settlement FB50 or F-02 for FI posting with internal order, KB11 and manual reporting of cost, manual reposting of cost, KB15N manual cost allocation, KO88 actual settlement internal order, KO8G actual settlement collective, KO81 is a display actual cost line item, KO81 display actual cost line item, KO82 display commitment line items. So these are a very important SAP transaction code regarding internal order in finance in respect of the master data in configuration, planning and budgeting, posting and settlement, and reporting purpose. This tutorial for understanding and knowledge sharing purpose. Please share this tutorial with your colleagues and friends. And if you think this is useful tutorial for you, please press a like button. That will boost our confidence and to help generate more and more such tutorial in SAP for you. So have a good day. Happy learning.